Hello, sixth grade. Today we're going to be talking about finding the percent of a number. And we're going to use a different way than we've used before. So last time we talked about dividing using the fraction, but this time we're going to use an equation that will help us solve lots of problems regarding percent. And that is percent over 100 equals part over whole. You might want to write this down and take notes during the video so it will help you on the activity. So percent over 100 equals part over whole. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to try to find 30% of a couple of numbers using this equation. So we're going to set it up. Percent is always over 100. And then that number is the whole. I want to find what is 30% of 50. Okay, so I want to make an equal fraction or proportion here. So I know that 100 divided by 2 is 50, so I must do the same thing to the top. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 30% of 50 is 15. All right, let's try it again. How about 30% of 40? The whole will always go on the bottom. Okay, this time I can't make 100 into 40. Okay, so I'm going to need to simplify the fraction. So I can simplify 30 over 100 to 3/10. Then 10 times 4 is 40. So I must do 3 times 4, which is 12. So 30% of 40 is 12. All right, let's try a few more examples. How about 40% of 40? Okay, remember how we set it up? Percent over 100 equals part over whole, where 40 is going to be the whole. Again, I cannot make 100 into 40, so I need to simplify the fraction. 40% simplifies to 4/10. Then I can go times 4 times 4. It's 16. All right, let's try this one here. 40 over 100 and then to 25. All right, this time I can go from 100 to 25 by dividing by 4. So I can divide by 4 here as well. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. Now let's say I didn't notice that. I can always simplify the fraction and get there as well. So 40 over 100 simplifies to 4/10, which simplifies again to 2/5, which then can go to 25. Times 5 times 5, I still get 10. All right, let's try another one. How about 60%? All right, 60%, percent over 100, trying to get to 30. I can't get there, so remember, simplify. Times 3 times 3 would be 18. So 60% of 30 is 18. All right, last example, 35. Now, 60 over 100, I can't get that to 35. I can't get 100 to 35. All right, let's simplify it. 6 over 10, can I get to 35? Nope, I'm going to have to simplify one more time. 6/10 can be 3/5. That one can be times 7 times 7. It would be 21. Oops, sorry, 21. So 60% of 35 is 21. So let's review the steps. Set it up. Percent over 100 equals part over whole. Reduce the percent fraction if necessary, and then solve for the missing number. All right, I just want to show you real quick what the activity looks like that you're going to be working on. This will be in a Google slide, so it's going to look a little different than this, but it's going to say, what is 30% of 60? You'll solve it on paper, and then you'll drag this circle over the correct answer. Okay, so 30% of 60, when you find the answer, you'll drag it either way over the correct answer, and then write, so this is question number 1, you're either going to write M or N here, depending on the correct answer. And then you'll solve it. So you will know what are 10 things you can always count on. All right, and one thing that I know I can count on is my team. So team is the secret word for the day. Remember, you can always count on your team. All right, have a great day. Thanks, 6th grade.